Kahit ako. Ayan. Nice, fresh.
And you're ready to face the work. Now, I'd like to meet you so that I solemnly swear. That I will faithfully discharge.
And I will faithfully discharge.
The best of my ability.
The best of my ability.
The duties and obligations.
The duties and obligations.
Professional teacher.
Professional teacher.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations. That pin is you.
This pin is me.
What is, can you say the message of that pin?
This pin is me.
Say,
This pin is me. Represent me. This pin represents me.
it's me. And being on each other.
Being each other. Paano mo ito? Thank you so much, sir. This pin is me. This is my life. This is my symbol. And this is my second profession. Now officially, professional teacher. Yeah.
Kuha kita kay Brancho.
Ha?
Kuya Brancho.
Boracho.
LGT na kami.
Shout out kay
Sir Melvin Brancho.
LGT na kami. Woo! Yes.
Dok, lagi sa maging guro.
Yeah.
Magkasama tayo.
Kasi sa kalokohan sa earning unit. Marlene, thank you so much. You're such an inspiration to us. Salamat. Yeah.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. You have just witnessed the outstanding and peeling ceremonies of new professional teachers in Argentina.
Academic achievement. Tatlong palakpak, tatlong badya. Go!
Parang mo nang GIL nito.
Yes. Nagkali si Dyslexia. Dalawa yun. Dalawa yun. Dyslexia moments. Disgrasya.
Nakalang sir pa.
Thank you.